Oh, guys, what an incredible treat.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Glasgow, Scotland, weighing in at 230 pounds, Roddy Piper!
A dangerous man in the ring or on the mic.
Knows how to get under people's skin, opponents and fans alike.
I'm not sure anyone is better at running their mouth and backing it up in the ring.
You're right about that, Saxton. Piper's had trash thrown at him in the ring. He's been stabbed in public. I don't believe there's anybody tougher in the business. The time for talking is over.
Here comes Havoc. The Hot Rod is ready for a fight. The Hall of Famer, George the Animal Steele.
Steele's not unorthodox. He's a danger to society.
From Detroit, Michigan, weighing in at 275 pounds, George the Animal Steele!
Unpredictable, uncontrollable, unorthodox.
But extremely effective.
Let's be honest, the guy's a lunatic. Imagine visiting Detroit and this maniac is walking around. No, thank you.
It's unusual that George Steele waits for the bell, but we'll go with it. Steele is one of the most unorthodox, bizarre competitors in history.
There's a reason he's known as the Animal. Just look at him. He resembles the missing link, and I'm not sure, but I think they share the same vocabulary.
Yeah, Byron, but don't let the wild man image fool you. Steele is extremely gifted with an arsenal of holds and locks. You can't fight his chaos. You just have to grin and bear it.
But then we've got Roddy Piper, as hard-hitting on the mic as he is in the ring. Crossing Roddy has never been the best idea.
Piper is as ruthless as they come, and that's what the people love about him. Never holding back, always saying whatever is on his mind. Piper bows down to no one. Bam! Goes for a headlock.
Piper gets reversed. Ooh, arm smash.
Just rake in the face.
Rake in the face. And there is no other term for that than just cheap. A cheap shot.
From the top. Good Lord, taking flight.
Soaring through the sky and crashing onto their opponent. Enough already.
Roddy Piper may do a lot of trash talking before a match, but don't forget, he always backs it up during a match.
Yeah, Piper can just as easily pick his opponents apart in the ring as he can on the mic. That's what makes him so dangerous.
Getting carried to a vulnerable position here. Kick to the midsection prevents the attack. Arm wringer.
Ooh, eats a big right.
Driving their opponent down with a bulldog. Some fiery offense from Hot Rod.
Time to pay the Piper. Sleeper hold cinched in deep.
Fading, fading.
This might just do it. This might just end it all. There's so much for the submission hold. He just lets go.
His grip strength might have run out.
Well, we had that scouted. Uh-oh. Has to find a way out of this.
Oh, snake eyes caving in their face.
Double axe handle.
And Piper is being aligned into position.
Bringing the arm of their opponent, but gets countered with a right hand.
Oh, look at this. Targeting the neck here. Cutting off oxygen.
Showing no mercy. There's the tap. There's the tap.
Here is your winner, Roddy Piper.
Nice victory here tonight for Roddy Piper.
George had difficulty here and could not turn things his way.
We can't confirm that Animal Steele knows he was defeated, but regardless, it's an official loss.